Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to create a text animation using Anime.js. Anyways, so the first thing I'm going to do is to add, I'm going to add 8 divs. I'm going to write txt e f f e c. I'm going to add another div t. So I'm going to say NSBP. Now we have that. So I'm going to just link my CSS. And in my CSS, I'm going to say body display flex. That looks like that. So now I'm going to animate them. So I'm going to say script source anime.min.js. I'm going to add another script with the source of. Actually, it's not going to have a source. I'm just going to put the script inside the HTML. So anyways, I'm going to say anime. I'm going to say targets. Div. I'm just going to say translate y. Anime.stagger. So I'm going to say anime.stagger. So stagger 50. Actually, it's going to be 20. We'll just say loop will be true. And the duration will be 2 seconds. And 2 seconds is 2000 milliseconds. Let me just change this back to 20. Now you can see the animation. So I'm going to put this into a keyframes list. I'm going to say keyframes. So I'm going to take this translate y. So I'm going to change this keyframes variable to a list. So I'm going to say translate y, and then me.stagger 50. Going to be another keyframe that says translate y. Anime.stagger 20. It's not like that. So I'm also going to add another one. I'm just say translate y 52 VH. And I'm gonna say translate X. So I'm going to say translate X 52 VW. Now, because after some time, the text goes to the middle. So anyways, I'm going to say rotate Z 45. And you can see that all the texts are rotated. So then I'm going to add a comma. I'm going to add the last one. I'm going to say translate Y 50 VH. Translate X 50 VW. And rotate Z will be 0. So now if I reload this, it's like that. Let me just reduce the duration to 1.5 seconds. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to replace this translate Y from 50 VH to 48 VH. And this is going to go from 50 VW to 48 VW. And the rotate Z will be negative 45. Now it's like that. Now let me just add some styling. So I'm just going to go to the style.css. I'm going to say div. Just say font, family, monospace, and the font size will be 24 px. And I'm also going to add a I'm also going to add a body. So we have to have a body here. I'm going to say background light orange. So it's going to be orange. I'm just gonna make it more lighter. Okay, I'm going to say padding 20 px. I'm going to say background light blue. I'm going to say so. Let me just reload it. So now it's like that. So anyways, I'm also going to add a div mth of type even. So for all the even divs, like div 2, div 4, div 6, and so on, the background will be blue and the color will be white. And here I'm also going to say border radius 25px. Those are like that. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed, then leave a like and subscribe. So bye.